Welcome to mancave.artfactory.com. When you visit our showrooms in Scottsdale, Arizona, expect a genuine blast-from-the-past experience. As you walk through the larger-than-life, genuine handcrafted castle doors, you will enter a museum-like wonderland of fine art furnishings, as well as genuine antique, retro, and classic mantiques. Due to our ongoing apprentice programs and our multi-generational family's love for these historic creations, we have classically trained some of the most talented woodwrights, hand carvers, blacksmiths, glass blowers, master mechanics, creative patina, and classically trained master finishers. As you move through our working man cave with one of our friendly historian guides, you will be able to experience vintage glass blowers bringing American iconic history back to life right before your eyes. Historic vintage neon signs complete with its individual provenance, ready for your personal collection. Your guide will also move you past our working wood shops where fine art master carvers, millwrights, and our classically trained master craftsmen are building fine art doors, gates, and furniture. American heirlooms handmade from tree to final product, built to last forever, quality legacy products intended to be passed down for generations to come. See historic, classically trained blacksmiths at work, bringing history back to life in the same hand and materials as was practiced in medieval times, including genuine wrought iron being worked by anvil, hammer, and hot forge by one of our master blacksmiths. On the Route 66 drive-in theater screen, your favorite movies are playing from the happy days of baby boomers era.
Hey, you're supposed to be the fastest thing in the valley, man, but that can't be your car. It must be your mama's car.
You may sit in one of the restored classic cars of this era, or sit at the handcrafted Happy Days bar while enjoying fresh popcorn or peanuts from our 1910 Creeder's popcorn and roasted peanut machine, while you're shopping for hard-to-find, iconic American collectibles for your man cave. At Art Factory's Man Cave, your family is always welcome, as well as the little ones, and we are also pet-friendly to make your shopping a real retro American experience. In our operating man cave, you sometimes may experience the smell of hamburgers on the grill while viewing hundreds of genuine porcelain, tin litho, and neon signs, all for sale and ready to ship worldwide. Sometimes you may find us test driving, racing up and down the West Taxiway on one of our custom supercars being made ready by our classically trained mechanics. All of our certified mechanics are masters with many years of experience. Our younger mechanics are in the process of having completed at least 5 years apprenticeship working next to these masters. As we move through the main showroom and the 5 large airplane hangars, you will experience our retro restorers in action, restoring 100-year-old plus gas pumps, vending machines, and vintage neon signs. From rusty barn finds to fine art, full working, historically correct, world-class investment quality collectibles. Trained also to tear down 100-year-old historic gas pumps, vending machines, etc., preserve patinas, and rebuild without doctoring or body putty or other shortcuts back to its original, correct, fully working to investment world-class museum standards. As most of you automobilia and petroliana collectors know, we are the foremost recognized authority on true American artifacts, such as porcelain signs, tin litho, as well as classic, historic, correct neon sign restorations. Certified as the finest craftsmanship in the world, signed by H.J. Nick, recognized by all major insurance companies, museums, and other experts worldwide. Master painting and fine art finishes have always been part of our program for many decades, with our master finishers overseeing our ongoing apprentice programs. Trained in many old world techniques of patina preservation, as well as the use of state-of-the-art modern equipment, with fine art creative ability, we carry on the best processes that have been developed over the past 10 decades of historic preservation and fine art finishing. Customers often ask how we acquire these genuine vintage collectibles without buying at auctions or eBay, etc. The answer is simple. We acquire most of our barn-fresh American iconic collectibles directly from the public. We have earned a reputation of paying top dollar for these old historic pieces, usually resulting in more cash in your pocket than selling at the auction after fees, shipping, and handling is deducted. When you sell to us, we do all the work and pay on the spot, same day, hassle-free. There's no long waiting or extra fees or hidden costs to you. This tried and tested system gives collectors access to these rare signs, pumps, and vending machines and much, much more that has been locked up in these private collections not for sale for decades. All with a full money-back guarantee that states each purchase is the real McCoy. As represented or your money back forever, backed by over 10 decades of business integrity. Over the past few decades, it's been our experience, as well as many of our client collector investors, that these American artifacts outperform most investments as a tangible hedge against inflation and is a lot more fun to own than many other forms of investment.